I think LeBron's gonna lose to the Warriors, man. Shoulder hurts, all right?
Yeah, the shoulder. Something in here is jacked up. Do you like the straight ones better than the curl ones?
Yeah, I like both of them, to be honest with you. This one's harder on the wrist, but I feel like I did this enough to where my wrist got used to it. This is the most peaceful time right here.
Why is that?
You can feel the wind blowing. I can feel the echo from the water, people driving. You can hear the birds, you can hear water.
Oh, okay.
It's cool right now. Right now is a good time.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, this is the UV sterilizer. The way we have to plumb this is a little odd, but I think we're gonna stand it right here. Stand it right here next to the bead filter. It's gonna be plumbed after the bead filter. So you can see the outlet of the filters up here. We're gonna have to take the pipe, and that's gonna go down on the bottom. So it's gonna come down here, go to the bottom first, and then it has to come up through the top. And then it'll be able to go back to the rest of the system. So we're gonna have to rearrange the plumbing. So basically what we're gonna put in here, there's gonna be a light that's inserted in here, and as the water passes through, that's when it's gonna be attacking the algae and the different type of bacteria. That's when they're gonna be killed off. So that's exactly what's going on with the UV sterilizer. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's the plumbing thus far. We got it coming from the outlet of the bead filter, coming down, boom, coming right into the UV sterilizer, and then it's gonna go up. That's where we're gonna place the light inside. Actually, it's gonna go right up here on the top. But here's the outlet here, comes down, and this is the plumbing, and then it goes here, connects from here to the floating raft, and then up to the tanks. So that's the little adjustment that has to be made. The only thing I have to put on now is the actual light itself, which is here, and then connect it with this, and that's pretty much gonna be the end. So I'll just take this here, stick this right on the top of this. Boom, I feel like Darth Vader. We'll bring that out again. Boom, let me turn it on real quick, hold on. I'm feeling like Darth Vader right now. Move this stuff out of the way. Let's see if I can get my Star Wars on. You see that? All right, put that down in there. Let me cut that off. All right, we got it turned on. We got the water that's being filled up in the bead filter again before it begins being pushed to the UV sterilizer. Now, once again, the UV sterilizer is here because I needed to get rid of that. See that green stuff, algae? That's what this is gonna fight off. So as the water penetrates through here and you have algae and other type of bacteria that flow through it, that light that you guys seen in here, that right there is going to be killing off the algae and the bacteria. Or it's not going to be totally preventing them from being in the system, but it's going to kill them faster than what they can reproduce. So in a few days, we should be able to see this tank cleared up. So that's how we fight this. So it's a big benefit of having a UV sterilizer on your system. It helps, it definitely does a big job in reducing the disease for your fish. So that's going to help a lot. It's going to help control that. So, you know, I've grown fish for many years without any type of UV sterilizer, but I've used tilapia, and those are typically very resistant to disease. So you don't find many disease that come from them, although you do find some disease. So this right here will help control it and help ensure that the aquaponic guy does not have to fight any disease in the near future. Hopefully, maybe not, we'll see. So it appears to be working properly now. Let me see. We got water, so that means we have flow coming through here. There's no apparent leaks. We have our light, which is turned on in the inside, our UV light, and it is sterilizing the heck out of the algae. So we're gonna defeat these guys, and we'll give it a few days and we'll see exactly how it turns out. So I'm super pumped right now. Carlos, man, what the heck you over there doing? Look like you in La La Land, man, huh?
up, they hang up the lamp right above the plants.
Oh, we got some lights over here that we hanging up. Gonna get this thing nice and fly. Carlos is so we're putting some up there. This man is determined. He got the look in his eye.
I gotta finish these lights.
You got the look of a determined man.
So imagine all 4 of them are here, right? And we need to run them up and connect to one outlet, and then it runs across, and then that extension cord run across, and then plug that in here.
Right, okay, so we need...
Here. T10, can you splice them?
Yeah.
So 10, 7, 17 feet total. 40
Okay.
feet of these connected wires.
Okay, well, let's do it then. We're gonna go to Home Depot right now?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's do it. Well, it looks like we got another trip to Home Depot, ladies and gentlemen. We have about an hour before it closes. So we're gonna get our behinds up out of here.
And every individual has the privilege of appropriating to his own use as much of this intelligence as he chooses. He can only appropriate it by using it. Just understanding it or believing in it is not enough. You've got to put it into specialized use in some form.
We need one of these. Do the light connection, solve that problem. We need hooks, 15 small hooks.
All right, we'll get the hooks. Home Depot legends around here.
10 times easier.
Yeah.
That will do
And
it.
then you just go like this, and it's just chain to chain.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you. You helped us out again. Appreciate it.
Right here.
Right there, yep. Oh, thank you again.
Man.
What's your plan, man?
The light should be on tonight.
You think we finished all 4?
I think we should. I'll take a couple more bites tonight.
Yeah, them bugs is out
it.
there. You know they're out there
Man,
feasting. Yeah, they bit you right there. Look,
Yep. They got me again.
a hot one right there.
All right, we need to go down this way.
This way, okay.
All the lights should be up. It should be like a football stadium in there.